In the foothills of the majestic Himalayas, where the holy Ganga river flows, lies Rishikesh, a sacred place revered by spiritual seekers from around the world. The city's name originates from Sanskrit, combining Rishi, sage, and Kesh at Kesh as a Lord of senses, making it an epithet of Lord Vishnu, known as the Lord of the Senses. It is said sages once meditated here, attaining enlightenment. Returning, Rishikesh has become a spiritual hub, attracting yoga enthusiasts, meditation practitioners, and pilgrims. The city boasts ghats like Triveni Ghat, temples, and ashrams, making it a renowned pilgrimage site. The International Yoga Festival draws global participants annually. Beyond spirituality, Rishikesh offers adventure activities like river rafting, trekking, and Himalayan exploration.
The city's cultural identity is deeply rooted in yoga and meditation, with institutions like Paramath Niketan and Shivananda Ashram serving as centers of spiritual learning. Rishikesh is a place where the divine meets nature, making it a destination for those seeking enlightenment and connection with the universe. In the sacred hills of Uthas, in the sacred hills of Uttarakhand, where the Ganga river flows gently, lies a place steeped in divine association.
This is the birthplace of Lord Vishnu's mythological link to Raibarishi, who spent his life in penance here. The air is alive with spiritual energy, making it the gateway to Char Dham Yatra and yoga capital of the world. Temples, ashrams, yoga festivals, and meditation retreats thrive here, reflecting its rich cultural identity. In the heart of India, Rishikesh stands as a testament to spiritual conquest.
This sacred city embodies both ancient mythology and modern global spirituality, making it one of India's most revered cities. The holy Ganga river regushes Rishikesh after originating from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarakhand, flowing through the Himalayan valleys for revered cities. The holy Ganga Ju nourishes the river Kepa before emerging from the Shivalik hills. At its source, the river is called through his penance, Atin Bhagiratu through his penance.
Rishikesh is a haven for spirituality, adventure tourism, and yoga enthusiasts alike, where the senses are conquered by divine blessing and eternal wisdom. And the yoga enthusiast arrival on earth was said discounterpowered by Lord Shiva's penance. As he meditated, a stream of water emerged from his locks, forming the Bhagirathi river. The river then flowed through the Himalayas and met his counterpart, the Alaknanda river. At the Devprayag, this confluence birthed the Ganga. As it descended through the Shivalik range, the Ganga carved out a feature of Tanai, north to Rishikesh, where it emerged from the mountains into a wider, calmer course. In this sacred city, pilgrims flock to bathe in its pure waters, seeking spiritual renewal through meditation and yoga. For centuries, Rishikesh has been a gateway to the plains, marking the Ganga's transition from mountain river to sacred site of worship. As the gateway to the Char Dham Yatra, Rishikesh is a sacred destination where pilgrims often its importance stems from its unique geography. It marks the point where the Ganga river leaves the Shivalik hills and enters the plains. The river's journey, the city's importance, stems from its unique begins at Gangotri Glacier, Gaumukh, where it emerges as the Bhagirathi River. It then converges with the Alaknanda River at Devprayag, forming the mighty Ganges. As the river flows through Rishikesh, it assumes its full spiritual significance. Rishikesh is not only a sacred bathing site but also the yoga capital of India. The modern yoga wave in Rishikesh began in the mid-12th century, with the Unbis marking a turning point. Today, international yoga centers thrive in the city, drawing seekers from around the world. Note, I condense the key information and details in the narrative style. It was the mid-12th century, but it wasn't until the Mochi that Rishikesh's transformation truly began. The Beatles' visit to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's ashram in 1910 sparked a global spotlight on this Indian town. As news of the famous famous spiritual journey spread, Rishikesh became known as the yoga capital of the world. This newfound fame aimed to the establishment of numerous international yoga schools and centers. The impact was profound. Rishikesh gained global recognition, its tourism industry boomed, and it transformed into a hub for spiritual seekers from around the world. In the heart of India, Rishikesh had long been a sacred destination for sages and ascetics, but it wasn't until the late Yoga centuries began to sprout up. The Beatles' fateful visit in Strait of Ulysses began to sprout powered up. The Fab Four spent time at Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's ashram, introducing Rishikesh to the Western world and sparking international interest in yoga and meditation. As a result, several international yoga centers were established, including Parmarth Niketan and Shivananda Ashram. These institutions offer teacher training programs for foreigners, cementing Rishikesh's reputation as the yoga capital of the world. By the late century, Rishikesh had transformed from a pilgrimage site to a global spiritual learning hub, attracting students from Europe, America, and Asia. The influx of international visitors boosted local businesses, hospitality, and cultural exchange, making yoga tourism a major contributor to the economy alongside traditional pilgrimage tourism. As Rishikesh's popularity grew, it transformed into a vibrant melting pot of cultures. People from all over the world flocked to the sacred city to learn traditional Indian yoga. This influx helped preserve ancient yogic traditions while adapting them for modern audiences. Today, Rishikesh is synonymous with yoga on a global scale. The annual International Yoga Festival at Parmarth Niketan attracts thousands worldwide, solidifying its reputation as a spiritual hub. Its name is now etched alongside Mecca and Rome in the world's collection. In the mid-century, Rishikesh was thrust into global spotlight as international yoga centers began to emerge. The Beatles' visit in the global spotlight as international yoga centers began to emerge. The Beatles visiting their ashram and Maharishi Mahesh Yogi's ashram were among these institutions that put Rishikesh on the map as the yoga capital of the world. As tourism surged locally, the city's cultural landscape was enriched by the preservation of yogic traditions and global exchange. Today, Rishikesh is a hub for yoga teacher training, meditation retreats, and international festivals, solidifying its status as a worldwide spiritual hub. I condensed the text to approximately 48 characters while maintaining the key information and details. In the heart of Rishikesh, the Ganga River flows majestically, connecting two banks at faith and engineering. The city boasts a quartet of iconic bridges, Lakshman Jhula, its modern replacement, Bajrang Setu, and Zaidu edition built in Hyderabad, Damjukai edition Janaki Setu, constructed in Delarze. Banagil, business tradition. Each bridge represents a harmonious blend of mythology, spirituality, and innovative design. The oldest Lakshman Jhula was named after Lord Lakshman's legendary crossing on jute ropes. Built in 1919 empires, it connected Tapud and Tirigarwal to Jonsk to Churi Galwal. However, due to safety concerns, it closed its doors and Dopai Lakshman Jhula was Bajrang Setu, a sleek glass bridge carried phonic Lakshman Usti glass bazaars by State Bank. This engineering marvel will join the ranks of Ram Jhula and Janaki Setu, each one weaving a tale of tradition, faith and modernity. Along the banks of the Ganga River, in the heart of Rishikesh, a city nestled between the Himalayas and the Ganges River, three iconic bridges stand as testaments to modern engineering and spiritual heritage. The Lakshman Jhula, built on the new side of the river, was once the main bridge connecting the two sides of the river. However, it was replaced by the new Lakshman Jhula, a stunning suspension bridge with glass walkways offering breathtaking views of the Ganges below. Nearby, the Ram Jhula, crafted in Unijat Asradako, as an iconic iron suspension bridge that connects Munikirati to Swargashram. Nearby, the Pi major length makes it surrounded by major ashrams such as Sivananda Ashram in Perumakand and third suspension in the city. This is the Bosham. With its unique design featuring 3 lanes, 2 for two-wheelers and 1 for pedestrians, it has revolutionized local commuting and tourism. The bridge now provides easier access to the Nilkantha Mahadev temple and Beetle's ashram, further boosting the spiritual and cultural significance of Rishikesh. In the town of Rishikesh, 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 in the towering landmark stood tall the Lakshman Jhula.
Built in 1920, it was a suspension bridge that allowed pilgrims to cross the Ganges River at Lord Lakshman's crossing point. However, after nearly a century, the bridge closed its gates for good in the disorganized historians replace. In its place, a modern marvel was born. Bajrang Setu expected to open into has a new breed, Bazaji. The new bridge boasts glass walkways and a sleek design, promising a safe design, brought about the old Lakshman Jhula's replacement.
That title belongs to Ram Jhula, built in Unishiktian suspension bridge stretches Satatpis as the river connecting 2 major ashrams and serving as a lifeline for locals and tourists and Tura. And to as a Rishikesh. Rishikesh boasted 3 bridges that symbolized its evolution from mythological roots to modern engineering marvels. The Janaki Setu, a 3-lane bridge named after goddess Sita, stood alongside the Bajrang Setu and Lakshman Jhula in Ava. Meanwhile, Ram Jhula continued as a spiritual and cultural landmark. Nearby, the Kali Kamli Mandir in Swarg Ashram area was part of the Baba Kali Kamli Vanprast Ashram, established to honor Swami Vishuddhanand, known as the Black Blanket. This ancient ashram served as a hub for saints, pilgrims, and seekers. As the sun rises over the Himalayas, the Kali Kamli Mandir temple comes alive with spiritual energy. Nestled within a sprawling ashram complex, it's a haven for pilgrims seeking solace and enlightenment. The temple is part of a larger community that offers rest houses for weary travelers, cow shelters, and facilities for revered saints. Many visitors stop here as they cross the iconic Ram Jhula bridge into Swag Ashram. For these pilgrims, Kali Kamli and their journey, self-discovery, a sacred milestone on their journey to self-discovery. The Ashram Trust also runs charitable initiatives providing free food, medical care and shelter for visiting sadhus. This enchanting temple is a melting pot of Indian and international spirituality, attracting devotees from far and wide who are drawn to its unique ethnic and spiritual atmosphere. This spiritual settlement was established to honor his legacy and serve saints and pilgrims. The ashram boasts a temple, dharmashala, goshala, and spaces for meditation and chanting. It has become a popular destination among Indian devotees and international visitors alike. And near the visitors alike, Gaswar ashram played a significant role in establishing Rishikesh as a pilgrimage and yoga, blending traditional saint service with modern seekers. Daily aarti, meditation and satsang continue to be an integral part of the ashram's activities, keeping alive Kali Kamliwala's legacy. Today, the Kali Kamli Mandir is not just a temple but a living memorial Swami Vishuddhanand's spiritual service, anchoring the Swag Ashram area as a sacred zone for saints, pilgrims and seekers from around the world. In the sacred beach nestled within the Swag Ashram area lies a river Tivet spiritual Astikaun and the Swarga. This ancient ashram is a testament to the enduring legacy of its founder, Swami Vishuddhanand, affectionately known as Kali Kamliwala or the Saint with the Black Blanket. A tribute to his memory, the temple and ashram complex serves a sanctuary for seekers, saints and pilgrims from far and wide. In the early 2000 churches, Swami Vishuddhan affectionately Wala founded this sacred site. He was a revered spiritual leader who always wore a black blanket, earning him his nickname. Today, the ashram and temple complex he built honors his legacy of service to humanity, earning him his nickname. Today, the ashram and temple complex he built runs visiting Rishikesh. As part of the spiritual center, you'll find dharmashalas, gaushalas, cow shelters and facilities for saints. The Ashram Trust runs charitable activities like free food distribution, medical services and housing for visiting sadhus. The sacred site attracts Indian devotees and foreign seekers alike with its unique blend of ethnic and spiritual atmosphere. It's a place where the community comes together to honor the legacy of Kali Kamliwala. In the heart of India, a legacy was born to honor the revered Kali Kamliwala. In the heart of India, Allah, in the heart of India, a humble spiritual leader, it served the saints and pilgrims who sought solace in its presence. As the modern era dawned, its appeal transcended borders, attracting devotees from across India and abroad. The impact on Rishikesh was profound. It played a pivotal role in establishing Swag Ashram as one of the oldest organized spiritual settlements in the city, drawing seekers of truth and enlightenment to this sacred site. In the heart of Rishikesh, a sacred city nestled in the Himalayas, Kali Kamli Mandir stands as a living memorial to Swami Vishuddhanand's spiritual service. The temple is not just a place of worship but a hub that blends traditional saintly service with modern seekers. Daily aarti, meditation and satsang keep alive the legacy of Kali Kaliwala. As you wander through the Swarg Ashram area, you'll feel the energy of saints, pilgrims and seekers. The Yudhishthira Mandir, dedicated to the eldest Pandava brother, is a small but significant temple located near Triveni Ghat, one of Rishikesh's most sacred bathing ghats. The city's network of shrines connects Rishikesh to the epic traditions of the Mahabharata. Here, truth, dharma and righteousness come alive in the form of temples, ghat and spiritual practice. A sacred temple stands, Divichal temple stands devoted to Yudhishthira, the king of Dharma. The Mahabharata's epic traditions live on in this revered site. According to local law, the Pandavas once visited this region during their exile and performed penance along the Ganga's banks. As part of Triveni Ghat spiritual circuit, pilgrims flock to honor Yudhishthira, seeking blessings for truthfulness, justice and moral strength. The temple reinforces Rishikesh's deep connection to the Mahabharata, where many temples are dedicated to the Pandava Brotherhood, where visitors often combine their visit with nearby shrines like Raghunath Temple, Hanuman Mandir and Bharat Mandir, making it a significant stop on their pilgrimage circuit. In the heart of Rishikesh near Triveni Ghat stands a humble shrine dedicated to Yudhishthira, eldest Pandava and Dharmaraj. This temple is a poignant reminder of the Pandavas' exile and penance in the region. As part of the city's pilgrimage circuit, it strengthens Rishikesh's identity as a Mahabharata-linked site, adding depth to pilgrims' spiritual experiences. Yudhishthira Mandir symbolizes truth, justice and dharma, evoking the unwavering commitment to righteousness displayed by Yudhishthira. This modest shrine ties Rishikesh to its epic heritage, reminding devotees of Yudhishthira's unshakable dedication to virtue. Would you like a map of Mahabharata that elated? In the early century, a group of devotees following Swami Vishuddhanand, Kali Kamliwala, laid the foundation for Swag Ashram in Rishikesh. Located on the eastern bank of the Ganga River, laid the foundation, a spiritual township has become a sacred hub surrounded by temples, dharmashalas, goshalas and serene meditation halls. Swag Ashram embodies the essence of the city's nickname, the yoga capital of the world. In the sacred city of Rishikesh, two spiritual heavens stood out among the rest. Paramath Niketan, founded by Smrutudaivan, stood out among the rest. Paramath Niketan and culture. Its sprawling ashram with over a dozen rooms welcomed pilgrims from far and wide, offering free food and lodging. Each evening, the Ganga Aarti at sunset drew thousands to its banks. The International Yoga Festival in March brought seekers worldwide to this sacred. Paramath Niketan was a hub where tradition blended with global outreach, making yoga accessible to all. Nearby, Shivananda Ashram, Divine Life Society, stood on the western bank of the Ganga, established by Swami Shivananda Saraswati in Uti Bhairananda Ashram. Divine National Guru's teachings were still revered within its disciplined bank of the Ganga. In Vedashram offered yoga, Vedanta study, meditation and spiritual literature to those seeking enlightenment. Both Paramath Niketan and Shivananda Ashram played a significant role in promoting yoga and spirituality globally, with disciples and branches worldwide in the early promoting yoga and spirituality. A spiritual movement began to take shape on the east bank of the Ganges River. It was here that Swami Vishuddhanand, affectionately known as Kali Kamliwala, attracted a devoted following. His legacy spiritual township and saint settlements persisted. Just a short distance away, another iconic establishment stood tall. Paramarth Niketan, founded by the revered Swami Shukdevananji Maharaj in Nifaraj in Atrisatol. Paramarth Niketan, founded by the revered Swami Shukdevananji Maharaj of Rishikesh, three sacred ashrams have shaped the city's spirituality identity. Shivananda Ashram, founded by Swami Shivananda Sashad and Vadaji Swami Shivananda Saraswati in Udayan Vedanta teachings. Its headquarters, the Divine Life Society, attracts seekers from around the world. Nearby, Paramarth Niketan bridges ancient spirituality with global yoga outreach. Together, these ashrams weave a tapestry of tradition, spirituality, and modern yoga culture. But Rishikesh's spiritual landscape was more than just these three institutions. Triveni Ghatar, the Ganga, is a sacred confluence where three rivers. Ganga is a sacred confluence where three invisibly. Every evening, priests perform the revered Ganga Aarti, lighting lamps and floating diyas on the river. These two landmarks represent different aspects of Rishikesh's spiritual identity. The ashrams embody the traditional saint culture, while Triveni Ghat is a symbol of India's rich spiritual heritage. On the tranquil riverbanks, colorful lamps and diyas floated gently on the water. Pilgrims flocked here to purify themselves after their sin through a sacred bath. Legend has it that Lord Krishna himself visited the spot. As the sun set, the atmosphere transformed into a mesmerizing spectacle. The sound of chanting and the glow of fire danced across the river, drawing in both locals and international visitors alike, captivated by the beauty of the Aarti ritual. Nearby, the Chaurasi Kutia or Beatles Ashram beacon nestled inside Rajaji National Park near Ramjhula. This former Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ashram, built in the Indus-Swavan hub for spiritual seekers and artists. In 1880 honors Aidan Rishikesh, drawn to a tranquil atmosphere with spiritual energies and spiritual energy. They stayed at Chaurasi Kutia, a secluded ashram, where they practiced transcendental meditation and composed new songs. The name Chaurasi Kutia translates to Ekshangpa practitioners. Bilna Stakar practitioners. Today, it's a heritage site featuring murals, graffiti, and serene meditation halls. Pilgrims and tourists flock here to experience both spirituality and Beatles history. Rishikesh's global fame was cemented by the Beatles' visit, attracting seekers from around the world who came to explore yoga and meditation. In the foothills of the Himalayas, Rishikesh wears many faces. Let's explore four iconic experiences that showcase its diverse essence. From ancient pilgrimage to modern recreation, each thread was intricately woven into the city's fabric. The Neelkanta Mahadev temple stands out as a revered site, nestled at 10 meters above sea level in Pauri Garhwal district, about Tibet Waldorf Temple, Rishikesh. Legend has it that Lord Shiva consumed the poison halahala during Samudra Manthan, turning his throat blue, giving rise to the temple's name. In the heart of India's spiritual hub, surrounded by dense forests and majestic mountain ranges, lies a major pilgrimage site that blends myth with serene Himalayan beauty. Pilgrims trek or drive up to the temple, especially during Mahashivratri. Nearby, adventure seekers flock to Shivpuri river rafting, a famous starting point for whitewater rafting on the Ganga. The set from Shivpuri to Rishikesh offers repeats ranging from great turquoise sky with thrilling names like Roller Coaster and Double Trouble. Thrill junkies can also experience India's highest bungee jump at Mohan Chatty village, operated by Jumpin Hills. At an impressive 13 meters, the adrenaline rush is amplified by the stunning Himalayan backdrop. For a more leisurely adventure, ziplining offers us a bird's eye view of the valleys below. As we ventured across the Ganga river near Shivpuri, our zipline adventure took off. We clipped onto steel cables and soared above the water, taking in breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. This thrilling experience was often bundled with rafting and camping packages, making it a popular choice for families and younger travelers looking to spice up Rishikesh's already action-packed adventure scene. The zipline added a fresh twist to the region's offerings, drawing visitors from far and wide. Rishikesh, a city where ancient mythology meets modern adventure, located Ganges River, this Indian town boasts four unique experiences that showcase its diverse character. In the north lies Nilkanth Mahadev, this Shiva temple situated at Ekatanath sea level. Dharanath Mahadev, a Shiva temple situated at Metavata sea level. Here, pilgrims visit to pay homage to Lord Shiva, who is said to have obtained the elixir of life from the gods in this very spot. To the east, thrill seekers flock to Shivpuri, where they can indulge in whitewater rafting, navigating great Derive rapids. For those seeking an even greater adrenaline rush, bungee jumping is available at 12,000 meter, India's highest jump. In the midst of this adventure, one can find peace and serenity by taking a zipline ride over the Ganges River, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. These four experiences, river adventure, extreme thrill and modern recreation, make Rishikesh truly unique. Would you like to combine Nilkanth Mahadev darshan with rafting and bungee in a single trip? Rafting and bungee in Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva is said to have consumed the deadly poison Halahala that emerged during the churning of the ocean. Samudra Manthan, this act turned his throat a deep blue color, earning him the name Nilkanth or blue-throated one. Today, pilgrims trek to a temple dedicated to Shiva, situated in a picturesque location surrounded by dense forests and majestic mountain ranges. The site is particularly revered tourist flock to pay their respects. For adventure seekers, the nearby town of Shivpuri offers an exciting experience, whitewater rafting on the Ganga River. Located about IFS-Time experience, whitewater rafting point for thrilling river rapids that will get your heart of India's adventure capital, Rishikesh. Thrill seekers of three Shivas flock to experience the excitement of Shivpuri to Rishikesh rafting stretch.
This successive journey takes you through great river rapids with thrilling rides like roller coaster and golf course. But that's not all. Nearby Mohanchatti village is home to India's highest bungee jump at 2 meters, operated by Jumping Heights, operational setup following Australian safety standards. The adrenaline rush is unmatched as you leap into the void surrounded by Himalayan valleys.
For a different kind of adventure, ziplining across the Ganga near Shivpuri offers breathtaking panoramic views, often combined with rafting and camping packages. It adds variety to Rishikesh's adventure tourism, appealing to families and younger travelers. Nearby, the Nilkanth Mahadev temple beckons pilgrims, while Shivpuri rafting adventure is a must-do for any adventure enthusiast. Perched on the edge of a cliff in India, thrill seekers prepare to take the leap of faith in one of the country's most extreme sports, bungee jumping. The jump takes place near Mohanchatti, where enthusiasts can experience an adrenaline rush like no other. The jump itself is as a heart-stopping eternity high, making it India's highest bungee jump. For those who dare to take the plunge, the view from the top offers breathtaking vistas of the surrounding landscape. With a safety harness attached, participants can free fall before bouncing back up with an unforgettable experience. As you soar over the Ganga River on a zip line in Shivpuri, the rush of adrenaline is palpable. This exhilarating experience, along with rafting and bungee jumping, embodies Rishikesh's unique blend of ancient mythology and modern adventure. In this sacred city, where Nilkanth Mahadev stands as a testament to the region's rich history, you can find yourself both spiritually elevated and thrillingly charged. Would you like me to craft an itinerary that combines a visit to Nilkanth Mahadev with rafting and bungee jumping in one unforgettable journey? Jumping in one unforgettable journey.